Spain, a land of hidden wonders. From the sun-drenched shores of the Mediterranean to the majestic peaks of the Pyrenees, this Iberian gem pulsates with vibrant energy. Journey with us now as we uncover the heart of this captivating country. Our destination, the top 5 must-visit spots that truly encapsulate the spirit of Spain. Our first stop is the Catalonian capital, Barcelona. Amidst the throngs of people and city life, a unique rhythm emerges. This city dances to its own beat, orchestrated by Antoni Gaudí. Dominating the skyline is his unfinished masterpiece, the Sagrada Familia. Inside, a kaleidoscope of light filters through stained glass windows, painting the floor in a mesmerizing dance of colors. A stroll through Park Güell is like stepping into a whimsical dreamland, offering breathtaking views of the city below. As the sun sets, we are drawn to La Rambla, a boulevard pulsating with life, inviting visitors to lose themselves in Barcelona's rhythm. Our journey takes us south to Seville, a city steeped in history. In the Plaza de España, a grand semicircular plaza, Spain's architectural prowess is on full display. Horse-drawn carriages meander through the square, their rhythmic clip-clop a counterpoint to the gentle splash of the fountains. We arrive at the Alcazar, a royal palace where Moorish and Christian styles intertwine in a mesmerizing tapestry. The scent of orange blossoms hangs heavy in the air, a sensory reminder of the palace's rich history. As the day draws to a close, the rhythm of flamenco guitar spills out from a hidden courtyard, drawing us deeper into Seville's heart. Chapter 3: Granada, an Arabian Nights Dream. Our adventure leads us to Granada, nestled at the foot of the Sierra Nevada mountains. Here lies the Alhambra, a testament to Spain's Moorish heritage. Courtyards adorned with intricate fountains and the scent of jasmine offer a tranquil respite. From its vantage point high above the city, we gaze out over the whitewashed houses of the Albayacin. The sound of distant flamenco guitar drifts up to us, a reminder of the city's rich cultural tapestry. As the sun sets, casting long shadows across the Alhambra's courtyards, we are left with a sense of awe and wonder. Chapter 4: Madrid, where royalty meets modernity. Our journey takes us to Madrid, the nation's beating heart. This vibrant metropolis blends its imperial past with modern energy. We begin at the Palacio Real, the official residence of the Spanish royal family. Its sheer scale is awe-inspiring, a testament to the power and grandeur of the Spanish monarchy. A short stroll from the palace brings us to the Parque del Buen Retiro, a verdant oasis in the heart of the city. As evening descends, Madrid transforms into a vibrant tapestry of tapas bars, buzzing with conversation and the clinking of glasses. We are drawn to the city's infectious energy, eager to sample the culinary delights and soak up the electric atmosphere. Chapter 5: Ibiza, beyond the beat, a paradise found. Our final destination is Ibiza, an island bathed in the azure waters of the Mediterranean. Known for its legendary nightlife, Ibiza is also a haven of natural beauty. We discover secluded coves, their sandy beaches lapped by gentle waves, perfect for escaping the crowds. Venturing inland, we find rolling hills blanketed in fragrant pine forests, a world away from the island's vibrant nightlife. As the sun sets, we are drawn to the west coast, where legendary sunsets paint the sky in a riot of colors. And so, we bid farewell to Spain, a land of contrasts and surprises. From the architectural marvels of Barcelona to the sun-drenched beaches of Ibiza, this Iberian gem has captivated our senses. Spain's allure lies not just in its iconic landmarks, but also in its hidden corners, the quiet moments of beauty that reveal themselves to the patient traveler. If our journey through Spain has sparked your wanderlust, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. Your next adventure is just a click away.